Hi, this is Sandra from Greyd. In this video, I'd like to show you how easy it is to manage your database with Greyd.Hub, the integrated website management solution of Greyd.Suite. You'll find Greyd.Hub in single-site installations here on the left under Greyd.Suite, or in multi-sites in the network administration. Please be aware that you need to be admin or super admin in order to view Greyd.Hub. To manage your database tables, open the tab Database. Here, you'll find an overview of all database tables per website in your installation. You can now select individual tables or also use the Mark All button. As an example, I am now going to select all VP option tables. You can now download them directly, or you can also replace values. For example, you can change the admin email globally without having to log into each website. Therefore, just enter the old and new value and then click on Download. To make your changes effective, just upload your updated SQL files here. As you can see, the admin email was this one first, and if I now refresh the page, the new one is displayed. You can also use Greyd.Hub to delete database tables, for example, if there are still tables of a plugin that has long been deleted. Therefore, just select the respective tables and click on Delete. Please be aware that deleting tables cannot be made undone. In general, you should always be aware that Greyd.Hub operates directly on your database. If you are not 100% sure what you are doing, it might be better to ask for help from somebody who does. As an alternative, if you only want to make simple backups, you can also use the export features on the Greyd.Hub dashboard. For more videos and information, please visit our Help Center.